This training today will be on how to create an invoice in Entrada. We're going to start out at Dashboard, then we're going to go to Accounting, Invoices. On the left-hand side, you will find a plus sign, Create New Invoice. We're going to click on Create New Invoice, and your next screen will pop up. You're going to click down on Property and pick your property. The vendor, you're going to click down and find the vendor for the invoice that you have. The invoice number, the total of the invoice, the post month will always be the month that you're posting. The invoice date will be the date that's on the invoice. The payment terms will be the terms that is on the invoice, and the due date will be the due date on the invoice. Next, we're going to go down. The account will be your GL code. And remember, you never use a GL code that starts with a 4 when paying a bill. And the good thing about Entrada is it pops up for you. The description, the quantity, and the rate. Taxable, you're going to leave as yes, and then it will automatically fill in the rest. Another thing that I want to go over is once you put in your GL code, you can hit the little arrow to drop down, and you can add a unit number. And this is very important. We would like all unit numbers added for turns, electric, water, anything you can add a unit number for. I would like to show you some highlighted areas on this bill that we are going to cover. This is a power bill, and as most of us knows, if the invoice does not have an invoice number, we're going to use the account number, and we're going to put a space, and then we're going to put the year 2018, the month 04, and the day 06 or 26. Also, if your bill does not have a bill date on a utility bill, it will be the current reading will be your bill date, and it shows right here 040318. Also, this is the due date when the power bill is due. Those are very important to remember. The next part I'm going to show you is how to upload an invoice. You're going to go back to your dashboard. You're going to go over here to your quick links area, and you're going to go to upload invoice. The only file types that are allowed are PDFs. So you hit choose file, open, preview invoice upload, You can split the document, but we really don't do that. And then you just hit upload complete.